What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm actually going to be talking about a giveaway. So I just hit over 150 subscribers. I was going to do it at 100 subscribers, but I figured I'd wait. So what we're going to do is I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and you're going to comment down below on this video, and I'm going to let this go for about 2 weeks. You're going to have to get entered, and it's going to be for a Chemical Guys detailing kit. Now in this kit, it's going to have the bucket, the dirt trap, a rag for you to use, all kinds of detailing stuff for your vehicle so that you can detail your vehicle. It's just a little bit of me giving thanks back to you guys for all the love and support and all the consistent views that you guys have been giving me. I appreciate every single one of you, and I want you guys to know that we're not stopping here. We're slowly growing, but we're getting there, and more content's going to be coming. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for some of these videos I got. I'm definitely going to be here and get more consistent. I also plan on doing some more of these giveaways, so maybe we'll do another one at 250, maybe one at 500, maybe one at 1,000. I don't know. I'm going to keep doing it as long as I keep getting good feedback from you guys. And like I said, can't say it enough, I want to thank you guys. That's pretty much going to wrap up the video here. Like, drop a comment, get entered. Whenever this giveaway ends, I'm going to message you back on your comment. We'll get it set up with DMing me your address and everything so I can get that kit to you guys. So as always, I will see you in the next video.